What's happening? All right, let's look at these charts real quick. All right, first thing we do when we logging into the web analyzer, we must come up here because right now we're scalping. This is the morning time. This is the London session. Some trades getting in. That's when it goes fast. The New York session is about to open. Right. We just bust a couple trades, but right now we just waiting, man. Right. There's really nothing going on over here. We hit this spot, and this brings up the trade. All right. So what we're looking at, here's another sell opportunity right here. See what we're looking at. I'm not looking at that. I'm not really looking at that. The main thing I'm looking at is the MACD, the MAC double. I think we already busted trade. Yeah, we already took some profit out of this. Once we get our profit, we out. All right. I'm going to put an app on my phone later so you can see how I'm trading. Right now, I just got one trade open. And where is it at? Down here. Somewhere. Oh, well, I got the NZD, USD open. It's doing pretty good right now. We're just waiting. This could be a sell right here. Could be a sell, ongoing sell. Let's look at the price. Let's go back up to the price. Yep, see that? See it just turn red? That's a sell. That's how you can predict. All right. Now, how do we do that? We're looking at the MACD. Whenever the red line is coming down, touching the blue line, right? Whenever they about to touch, whenever they about to kiss, coming down, it turns into a sell. Right? Keep an eye on that thing. Let me see. The blue line means something too. Everything means something, but when they're about to touch like that, that means it's a sell about that. Let's check this one out. The red line, blue line. And when the MACD is above this line, this middle line, if these two lines stay above, that means the momentum, right? We're on the uptrend. 5-minute chart. You can back up, see the full picture. See that? Uptrend. And you can continue going on this uptrend if you want to, right? It's kind of risky. All right, we just got a signal. We're waiting for it to hit on this computer. There we go. All right, so let's see what's going on. So we got 3 signals. Alright, we got a sell going on with Euro NZD. Remember, when that red line gets closer, so what we do, we're going to write it down. Because these signals are going to start coming in quick. It's not ready to sell yet. Alright, these signals are going to come in quick. We're going to wait about 2 minutes. Alright. Let's go back up here. This is the 15-minute. We just made some money off of this one, so it's saying it's almost ready again. So we're gonna let that chill. And let's check Euro. The Euro pound. And it's still in a crazy downtrend, man. But you can be risky and bust a trade, but you don't know if this it's starting to flatten out. The buyers are starting to come back in now, right? The buyers woke up. They're like, ho, what's going on? Right? It's starting to flatten out a little bit. Still in the downtrend. That's still all the way down there. But it is starting to consolidate a little bit. Let's open up. All right, look at that beautiful downtrend. Just a little bit. It's just a little one. It's about probably about 20-minute downtrend. I'm looking at a buy right now. See how it's going up. The signal called for a sell on a 15-minute. It's probably right. Oh, 1 second. My daughter's texting me. Forget what these lines called. The SARs, when they're above, it's still pushing down, but they can switch up on you every minute. All right. Yeah, right now, just a vicious waiting game. Waiting. Ain't nothing is happening. This is about to happen. But that's on the 15-minute chart. See that? Blue line goes up, buy happens. Blue line goes up, buying. See that? Going down, sell, sell. It's coming down. You can look up, see the sell. Looking for a sell to happen. I'm waiting for these to come down. I want this thing to turn a little bit. Once this turns, if it turns, right? When this thing turns, snatches some profits. Snatching some pips. Trying to put this trade in. 4, 5, boom. All right, so where we at? And this is what you gotta do to wait, man. Where we at? £, and this thing blanks all the time. So you're waiting on £. I think £, is gonna be good. £, is going to be a go. Just waiting on a little bit more things to happen. One more confirmation. I need this guy to turn down. As soon as he turns down, confirmation is there. Open up the trade. It's on a crazy downtrend. The MACD is there. It's not on the Bollinger Band, and my SARs are up top. I got so many confirmations, and we still got time before the London session hits, before crazy volatility happens. Right, I'm gonna take this 50. All right, so we just got another bling. All right, just got another alert. Let me refresh the screen because I think y'all don't know what that alert was. All right, so where we at? We're still waiting on Euro Pound. You see that? It's not ready to sell yet. It's still going up. Ain't quite ready. Not yet. During the morning time, man, just if you got time, just try to snatch about 40 pips out the market. 40, 50 pips. But you're triple trading. I mean, you're opening up 2 or 3 positions. Yeah, you know I mean, so if you're opening up 2 or 3 positions, you know, your 40 pips, you know, I mean, your 30 to 40 pips will turn into 90 to 140 pips. You know, I mean, if you're getting $1 a pip, $2 a pip, $4 a pip, $5 a pip, I mean, you can walk out of here with $500 just in the morning, just in the AM. You know what I mean? And then you got the whole rest of the day to do your day trades. And it's Friday. The markets are going to close. I mean, they're about to close, and my battery is about to die. So I'm going to try to bust this trade for you before my battery dies. And it ain't happening yet. We got 30 minutes before New York opens up. New York going to come in with the haymaker. And then it's going to be nuts. See, right here it tells you what session we're in. Right. Talks a little bit about the session, how volatile it is, the times of the session. This is the IML Web Analyzer. It doesn't give you the trades. It doesn't trade for you. It just lets you know it's a potential setup. Potential. And as you can see, there's a lot of patiently waiting, man, with this. Right now in the London before 9 o'clock, but after 9 o'clock comes, it just gets dumb. All right, especially on Tuesday to Friday, markets go crazy. Monday, you know, you really don't want to be trading on Monday. Can if you want to. That's when we get into the crypto trading. I'm still waiting. Let's open this up a little bit more. Still waiting, still waiting, still waiting, still waiting. So, I think it turned. There it go. Starting to turn. You see that wiggle? You see how it turned? And now we got the sell happening. Alright, so now what I do, I just pull it up on my phone. £0. Oh, we're already in there. Oh, we already ate off of this one already. So what we're doing, now this is tricky. I got a trade open already for it for the long term, for the hourly. But we're going to snatch a couple pips real quick. I need that to turn a little bit more. Just a little bit more. And all I want to do is get 3 pips. Open up a couple positions, snatch 3 pips, and I'm out. Just remember your lot sizes. Alright. Now see, it went back the other way. Gotta discipline yourself on not taking trades just because you want to, you want to get some action. Calm down. Calm down, chill for a little bit. Take a bite of your sandwich. Plug in my computer real quick for you. I've been waiting 13 minutes for this trade to transpire. Let's see what's going on now. It's twisting back a little bit. And there's nothing else going on right now, so just waiting. Now, can you go find other trades to get into? Of course you can. That's what you're supposed to do. I don't know why this ain't working. Come on, man. Can't be going slow on me today, baby. Not today, baby. For some reason, computer's slow. Let's check the 5-minute on this. Nothing happened. I'm eating some pancakes. Uh-oh. Alright. I'm getting that. I'm going in. I'm going in. Where we at? 191011. Oh man. So I'm gonna go. Damn. I hate subtracting by 9. It's like always so hard. Alright, let me get the pip calculator. This is a hard one to calculate. Boom. Boom. And you see how they got super close? Right? Here we go. Make sure you can cover the spread. Let me open up my pip calculator. Euro pound. Oops. This is very slow. The last size 3. Alright, where we at, man? What's going on? What's going on? See how it's going down now? Continuing on that downtrend. Continuing on the downtrend. But it's about to go up soon, so that downtrend isn't going to last. Let me see something. Yep, and here we go. See that? That's called beautifulness. That's called beautifulness. You understand that? That's called beautifulness. Look, I'm out of here. Just wanted to bust that trade for you. See, they touching. They touching. It's on a downtrend. It's under. It's oversold though, so it's gonna go back up. All right, so stay focused. Look, I'm out of here, and I definitely see you at the top. I'm getting there. You coming? Let's do this, and let's keep killing the markets, man. Let's keep snatching these pips out the market. You're only one trade away.